Hey guys, Crusher988 back here. Today I've got my brother again. I got a cool knife. So a week ago actually, he ordered a custom controller from Xbox, like the Xbox Design Lab. If YouTube capture will work, I'll put a link in the description, but it doesn't let me do that sometimes. So let's go. Yeah. So. Ooh, it comes with a shiny. That's pretty cool actually.
Or can I just open it? Nope, there's a little tape.
Yeah, little tape there. Don't cut yourself with that side of the knife. I don't know why I opened that. Don't put too much force. You've almost stabbed yourself twice now.
3 times.
Four
times.
Let me just take this. Whoa. So I'm pretty sure he got like slate gray on the front or whatever. I think that might be the name. Got like midnight blue on the back, midnight blue on D-pad, then the oxy red on the...
And then the colorful.
Yeah, then you got the normal buttons like that.
Yeah.
And then oxy on with batteries. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, he's gonna put those in, but...
I need the knife back.
Hold on. It looks like there's something under here.
Oh.
I think it's just all the manuals.
Why so many?
I don't know. It's not like anybody doesn't know how to use a controller.
That's kind of good.
So yeah, don't cut yourself. Owen, no. Don't cut towards you.
Fine, I'll cut towards you.
This is why nobody trusts you with light.
I know. I'm having so much trouble. There we go.
Okay. So, yeah. So, I gotta get this video at 10 minutes, so we're just gonna watch him put in batteries for the rest of the 8 minutes.
Okay.
So, that's one. He's doing it quicker than I expected. So, yep.
We put them in.
So this will be one of the 2 videos of custom controllers, because he just, yeah, I'm gonna have to sing it to my Xbox later.
Yeah.
This will be one of the 2 videos for the custom controllers. This is my brother's. He wasn't supposed to get it for another week.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay. And then I'm gonna get one for my birthday, so there will be a video on that. So, yeah, bye-bye.